pretty spotty.
What was that? Sorry, I didn't catch that.
Pretty spotty, but it's working now.
Optics, great stuff.
Yeah, it's the greatest.
Okay, so let's see, what do we got? So looking at stuff today, mostly it's just once again asking about the preparation questions. So yeah, it's mostly just looking at them and saying, okay, so review what we got for questions 1 through 3. And there's a lot of stuff that we've been doing before. You're just trying to, for the most part, rework these trigonomic equations. So this week they're introducing the product to sum and sum to product identities.
Mm-hmm.
And did either of you have problems with question 1 through 3 at all?
Preparation.
Sorry, what was that?
With the preparation or anything?
Yeah.
I haven't had a chance to look at it yet. I had a test yesterday, and I was home sick from classes and work today.
Well, that's always fun.
Right? Yeah, at the end of the semester, especially.
That's what it always is. Yeah, it doesn't look like it's too bad if you haven't had a chance to go over it quite yet. So question 2 is just talking about question 5 about solving. And then what it wants us to do is it wants us to solve the equations for alpha for the solutions between 0 and 2 pi without using a calculator. And this kind of goes back to what we were talking about, like, what, 2-3 weeks ago?
It's like the solving the trig functions.
Yeah. So, like, you start with sine alpha equals 1/2. Well, inverse sine alpha 1/2 is equal to pi 6 and 5 pi over 6.
Mm-hmm.
And then same thing, -1 over square root of 3 tan alpha is equal to 5 pi over 6 and 11 pi over 6.
Mm-hmm. So it's just like, so it doesn't have to do with identities this week. It's just with solving.
Yeah, mostly it's just solving and kind of like what does it mean to solve is one other big part of question 2. I think how you would describe solving. I think it's more or less in this case, especially when we're looking at question 5, you're starting with just 2 random points and then like, okay, what do those points mean to us? Solving is giving us something that we can actually work with that gives us trigonomic value that is useful for whatever that may be to a mathematician.
Gotcha. Yeah. Did you never get? I don't know that quiz last week was pretty difficult. Did you ever get when you're doing the homework and stuff? Did you have any trouble with that afterwards? Or?
A little bit. The homework wasn't too bad, but the quiz itself was pretty rough. I know there was one part of the question. I think it was the second question. Second part, I could have no idea how to actually explain what they were asking for.
Right.
Like, no idea. Over my head. I was like, I don't remember us talking anything about this. This does not make any sense.
Right.
Or it was a lot of what we were doing on Thursday, just a different way of wording, and it was just kind of took me a couple days to get it down, but I think I caught it more or less. But
yeah.
That's
the biggest thing was this last week, and that's why we want to continue with that because it was just ridiculous. If I were just guess and check the whole time.
Yeah.
Like there's like method to it. I mean, of course there is, but you have to like just guess essentially which one fits where and how to move things around. It's like a
Yeah, this
puzzle.
week seems like different than that. It's not necessarily guessing. It's a lot of, okay, here's your information. Now run it through this, and that should be able to help solve it. Kind of going back to our classic math. Like I'm looking at the group quiz for this week, and it's going to be match expressions with an equivalent expression. So you're just like matching them. So it'll be like converting this into your let's see, what was that? Converting it into your product to somewhere, some of the product identities, and you just have to match them because it'll give you one of either of them. We'll use a lot of stuff.
Gotcha.
A lot of identities, angles, proof of first product to some identities. Okay. Well, this
Gotcha.
math, I just need to go over the homework before we meet on Thursday, and I think we'll be okay.
This week we have a test.
Yeah, it says exam 4A,
Okay.
but I don't see exam 4B anywhere.
Okay.
Exam 4B is
I-
13.
Gotcha. So this exam's gonna be pretty interesting for me. I'm like, having the hardest time last week. That's identities. Hopefully, not too much into the exam. But I just gotta practice it, I guess. I don't even.
Yeah, I think it's going to be a bit more of what we were doing last week, just hopefully with a lot less guessing, a lot more concrete solutions to them.
Right.
Okay. Well, if nobody has any questions right now, it sounds like you're not feeling too great yet. And
Yeah, no, I didn't have a chance to look at it yet. Unfortunately, yeah, no, I've been sitting in bed all day.
yeah, fix it.
And like, well, yesterday I had a test I had to do, and then yeah, I came home and I wasn't feeling great, so I haven't had a chance to look at anything really yet.
Yeah. That's okay. That happens.
Mm-hmm. But,
Yeah. Okay,
yeah,
well,
any questions or anything? On Thursday we do the quiz.
you said that you have something going on around 7, right?
It's actually next week. I thought it was this week, but my mom told me it's next week, so we just did more hours this week.
Okay, just like around 7.
Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah, let's plan for around 7 then, like the usual time.
Mm-hmm. Sounds good.
Okay, we'll do that this week. Sounds good. Okay, see you all
Awesome.
on Thursday then.
All right, see ya.
Bye.